It just won't stop. I'm telling you, it is late March and the snow just won't go away. So I think we have to come up with an indoor project. So as much as I would love to stay outside in the snow and do a video with you, we're gonna come indoors. We're going to install whatever's in this box here on my Corvette C8. Let's go. Now I haven't even opened up this box, so we're gonna open it together. Well, this should be good. It's from our friends over at Extreme Online Store. Always close your knife for safety. The one-handed unboxings are always painful to watch. I'll do my best. Packed nice. Oh, we got 2 pieces. I know what this is for. Packed very, very well. Well, you know what these are? These are interior upgrades for the Corvette C8, but for us to do a good install for you and really show this off, I think we need to roll down the windows and take off the top. Ooh, she's pretty dirty. Must be winter driven. Don't worry, paint protection film on there. I love that feature. Well, that's better. Now we have some access and we are going to dress up this area right here. This is the most useless area in the car. You may or may not agree, but the reason I feel it's useless is because this is your wireless phone charger, which is awkwardly behind your elbow, kind of impossible to grab if you need to get out for something, unless you're partially getting in or out of the car. It barely fits my phone. So if my case was any thicker, it wouldn't really fit. Luckily mine does, but I've actually not really used this charger because to grab it out of here, when you're in the seated position, is extremely awkward. So I might as well make it look pretty if it's gonna be there. And the top piece goes here. We have carbon fiber in our seats. We have a completely done carbon fiber engine bay. So all of that's gonna tie together nicely. Now looking at the Waterfall, which is what they call this, this is genuine carbon fiber. We just have the epoxy side here, which is all nice and shiny, but it's super thin, super light, and we got some adhesive strips that we just need to expose to stick it on. Same with this top piece here. We'll do some test fitting first. So that will go like that. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to move the seats forward if we want to test fit this. And it looks like I need the vacuum. Oh, these shopping bags sure accumulate, don't they? They always say it's all in the prep, and they're not wrong. We can see on the backs of these exactly where they need to adhere. So let's do our best to make sure that that is all nice and clean and ready to go. My go-to, 70% isopropyl alcohol, microfiber towel. Let's get at it. Let's try that test fit. I think we have to open this. It's got to kind of feed under. Yeah, I think that'll do nicely. Haha, we're ready to go. You want to make sure you get in these creases here and here so it'll fit properly there. And now to top it all off, pun intended. I'm gonna hang a light here just so you can see a little better. I'm gonna try and line mine up right with this line here and then just go backwards as needed. I think right there looks good. Pressing along this edge should really help with the adhesive. And the front edge here, and then the back. There we go. Let's get rid of these fingerprints. Okay, let's move these seats back. Okay, seats are back. Let's take a look. What an improvement. That's an upgrade I can get behind. Now we get the carbon fiber there. We don't have anything on the doors yet, but we have trim on the dash. We have the steering wheel. It's all coming together. Well, I don't know about you, but if we're going to be stuck in the garage to do projects, that was a pretty simple and effective DIY project. I'd like to thank Extreme Online Store for working with me to make this video. Definitely check out their website. They have a ton of accessories, not only carbon fiber, for many, many sports cars, and now even some trucks. Now that some time has passed, I probably have to go shovel some snow. So on that note, if you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.